Sustainability for Schneider is an important word.
The source of the energy in this house, it's not coal, it's not oil, it's actually just the sun.
Today it's impossible to continue growing up without caring about the environment.
It's an educational opportunity of a lifetime. It's also very life-changing for these students.
Solar Decathlon Europe 2012 edition is the most international edition in the history of the Solar Decathlon.
Solar Decathlon is an academic competition between 20 universities, international universities, and it's about building, conceiving, designing, and building a complete autonomous solar house.
So they design it in their classes, get all the materials ordered, and then build it. And the event, the culmination of the two-year competition, is to bring the houses to a village so that we can display them to the public, but also prove that they really work together.
One of the key issues of Solar Decathlon is these are not prototypes, these are real houses. We're aiming to produce completely unique houses that can be used in real life. That's why part of the competition is a real-life simulation where teams have to use the shower, use the oven, use the appliances in the home.
We talk about Decathlon because there are 10 different contests, and that's some of these contests is just a continuous measure of the house performance.
We judge for architecture, engineering, market viability. We also measure for heating and cooling, lighting, refrigeration, hot water.
They start with a blank sheet of paper with very common challenges, but as you can see, all of them come up with different answers in different ways, with different designs and different viewpoints. So when we look at the Solar Decathlon, it's not just about sponsoring, it's about it being part of what we do. It's about showing who we are, how we can really have an impact on the world. Look for yourselves at a lot of these houses. You wouldn't expect this from a student competition.
Schneider Electric is one of the main sponsors of our houses, and they provide us all the electric systems of the house and the monitoring systems.
In my opinion, Schneider Electric is one of the big global leaders in power systems, in automation, equipment, devices.
We have the technology to do it, but what we need is the people and the ideas to really make a difference. And for me, that's why the Solar Decathlon is a critical competition and why Schneider Electric is really involved very heavily in this.
Because we couldn't do this event without the services of Schneider Corporation, who puts the smart electrical grid in for all these houses have connected to.
You can store water, you can store gas. So for electricity, you need to consume it as soon you have produced it. The smart grid is very useful to have an instantaneous compensation between production and consumption.
In a smart grid, we can have a distributed generation system, and we can use the energy we are generating in our house, and in case we have an excedent of energy, we can put this energy through the smart grid and share this energy with all the grid and with all the system. If not, we will have to waste this energy, and we can't waste energy anymore.
The most unforgettable moment were when we connected the PVTs to the grid and started to produce energy.
I think they're all winners. They're all beautiful, exquisite houses. I love them all.
We are a little bit stressed because of the results.
You know, some people call me the father of this event And I am so honored to have such a large family here, so thank you very much.
Yesterday, many of the houses, despite the heavy rain, have been able to produce more energy than they have consumed. So congratulations for this great achievement.
The winning team is Canopea.
So this project is called Canopea because obviously what you see above my head is a reminder of the rainforest canopy, a real ecosystem which captures 95% of the solar energy, and it's collecting the water and protects all the life underneath in the tower.
Mais c'est vrai que l'important, c'est pas tellement la compétition entre les maisons, c'est pas tellement qui sera le premier ou le dernier, c'est de participer à ce concours, de gagner ensemble ce challenge.
This competition is in fact one big team.
This is real, this is today and this is now.